you think? Look at my shoes, aren't they great?
My God, you look like a gangster.
Damn, Ron, come on! What's the matter with you? There is no tomorrow. There is no tomorrow.
I'm the best ever. I'm the most brutal and vicious and most ruthless champion there's ever been. There's no one can stop me. Lynx is a conqueror. No, I'm Alexander. He's no Alexander. I'm the best ever. There's never been anybody as ruthless. I'm Sonny Liston. I'm Jack Dempsey. There's no one like me. I'm from Nairclaw. There's no one that can match me. My style is impetuous. My defense is impregnable. And I'm just ferocious. I want your heart. I want to eat his children. Praise be to Allah.
I built this shit.
My name is Tom Shelby.
I'm gonna smash your boy, guys. I'm gonna smash your boy.
Power, real power, doesn't come to those who are born strongest, or fastest, or smartest.
Dogfight. You had to dig deep. Give us your thoughts.
Surprise, surprise, motherfucker! The king is back!
Listen, stop feeling sorry for yourself. Well, come on then. What's wrong with you? You're too damn.
I'm stopping this one now.
Don't, okay, let me finish. I gotta prove it.
Prove what?
I'm not a mistake.
What's coming? Oh, well, what's coming to you? Where should go?
This is Sparta! Pressure changes everything, pressure. Some people, you squeeze them, they focus. Others fold. You summon your talent at will, and you deliver on a deadline. You'll sleep at night. Let it out. 7, 8, 9, 10. A machine here. There you go. Nobody works like David in this house. 13, come on. 14, come on. 15, shut that muscle down. 16, come on. Get it. 17. You don't know me, son. Get it. 18. You don't know me, son. Get it. 19. You don't know me, son. Yeah. 20, you got some more in you. 21, yeah, get it again. Come on, we want to see it. Good, 22. Who's going to carry the boats and the logs? That's you, buddy. Come on, 23. Come on, 24. One more, David. Who's? One more. Carry the boats. You're going to do it. You're going to do it. You're going to do it. You did it. Yeah.
Retreat. No surrender. That is Spartan law.
¿Cómo se llama?
Antonio Montana.
Yeah, keep moving me, baby. Keep moving me. I love it. I love it.
I go to sleep, I wake up, I work. Go to sleep, wake up, work. Do that 7 days a week. I'll have to do that for a while.
Philosophy is, why be normal when you can be the best? I don't want to be normal. I want to make the difference. So everything I do, I want to make the difference. Because when I make the difference, I'm the best. And that is not arrogance, that is confidence.
You can't be killed.
I wouldn't be bothering with the shield then, would I?
A Thessalonian you're fighting. He's the biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
Well, everybody, it's Groundhog's Day again for David Goggins. If you pan it down here, you see it's about 3 o'clock in the morning, and there's not a car or a person in sight. If you pan over here, it's the same thing. Not a car or a person in sight. People want to know where I find my strength at, where I get my strength. I get it from a lot of places, but right now, this morning, I'm getting it from, there's not a motherfucker that's up. There's not a car, there's not a person. Everybody's in their bed, sleep, dreading that it's a Monday, hate it's a Monday. And I'm loving it. I'm loving that. Where everybody's getting weaker, I'm getting stronger. It's not about the running, the swimming, the push-ups, the sit-ups. It's about what those things do for your mentality. You don't get better on the daggone couch. You get better by coming out here and getting the fuck after it every daggone day. Stay hard.
And I don't mind. Go ahead. Please. It's about you, Vincent.